Yes, my VIP people. Listen, Saturday, which is what now? All right, I shouldn't even get all that complicated like that. 'Cause I think it's 9 days of August. Be here or be square. 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. Anyway, we're going to be doing a Jamaican 3-course meal. I don't want to tell you what's going to be in the starter, or mains, or dessert, because it's good to have a bit of a mystery. But I can tell you one thing, it's going to be nice. Very nice. Doors open 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. Sharp, no loitering after.
All right, granddad.
So what do you?
All right then.
Jamaican cuisine, simple. And you better know that ackee and saltfish must be on the menu. Yeah man, all prep is done. Everything's carpet set. One way up. Ja. It's gonna be a dinner to be remembered. Trust me. It's gonna hit your taste buds differently. And when you do get a taste of this, I'm sure you'll be back. Ja works. One way up. Ja.
Listen, yeah, you're going to be so furious when you realise I'm getting VIP treatment right now. I'm having bits and bobs of stuff that's not on Greg's menu. Like, I know that you're not invited yet, but you just have to like calm yourself down. Go to the Eventbrite, you can come to that one. But this, what I'm having right now, is so exclusive that you literally, I was going to say, I'm not lying. I don't need to lie. Watch, yeah.